guys, welcome back. You guys, so today is Saturday and we are heading to another dealership today to look at one and test drive and all of that. So we're bringing you along with us to see what we find. And yeah, so we're excited about the day. It's a beautiful day. It's hazy and gray, but you can see here, but you guys, it is still yet so a beautiful day. We're hanging out with the family. We'll probably stop and get some lunch. Another thing that I do need to do is stop by the unit because I need to drop off some special things that I picked up for a guest that's coming in for her birthday. And sometimes when they let me know they're coming for a special occasion, I'll do some extra little special things and I'll show you guys what those special things are that I do. I know for sure I'm gonna get her a cheesecake because she said that that was her favorite dessert, and so I'm gonna stop by the cheesecake factory and get her a cheesecake, and then I'll probably just get an extra bottle of wine or something like that, just for her. So the other thing is that it's going to be 3 of them again. And so here lately I've been booking a lot of 3 guests. Even though my unit is for 2 guests, they still want to stay on the air mattress, girl. I guess they just want to stay together, but I don't have any problem pulling out the air mattress for them if they want to pay for it. So I got to pull the air mattress out. It's an extra large twin size mattress, so it's not a small one, and I showed y'all in a previous video of me putting it out, and so I'm going to put it out again today with the extra toiletries and all of that stuff. I need to let my cleaners know to leave those extra towels and sheets and blankets and stuff out for them this time. So anyway, we're getting ready to head on out there. My husband had to stop in here at the HEB right here. We're at HEB, and so we just finished getting some kids some breakfast from McDonald's. We got the gas in the car and we about to head out, so stay tuned.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking.
So these are typical amenities that I leave out for each and every one of my guests, and since it was 3, I wanted to make sure that I had 3 available for them. They're coming. It's a group of girls. I just wanted to make it really girly and fun, and you know we love roses, we love balloons and all that type of jazz. So yeah.
How much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
Alright you guys, I'm just checking in. We just left the unit and I'm getting ready to head over to get some lunch. We are trying to stop We're trying to stop at Trill Burgers, but girl, ever since they opened, it has been so packed. We've had them several times already. But whenever we're craving them, you can't crave them, because if you're trying to crave Trill Burger, you might as well show up before they open and get in line, because if you're just craving something and you're hungry, you're gonna be waiting. So we're gonna see. They were supposed to be opening up the drive-through, and last time I went they did not have the drive-through open. We're almost there, so let's see if they have it open today.
So the baby G with the fries, with the triple OG, no fries.
Maybe 25.73.
Got some ketchup in there.
Yummy. Look at them onions though, y'all. See, this is what we come for. It's worth the wait. Delicious. This is my little birthday, y'all. It's 2 patties, even though it don't look like it, but they so thin, but it's delicious, you guys. Just trust me. Okay, you all, so we just figured out that I had a single burger.
That's the baby OG.
The baby OG. It's only 1 patty. I went back and looked at the footage and I was like, why is this burger so much bigger than mine? And mine actually looked like a grilled cheese with a piece of meat hanging out. And I said, this is not it. This is a pity patty.
Kitty patty.
Oh goodness. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to tell you, get the double or the triple OG. Is that right? Get the double or the triple OG. Do not get the single because it's not going to be worth it. Unless you have like a kid or something like that. It'll be perfect for them. But for me, it was still good. Trust me. But just get the double and triple OG. This one? Alright, you guys, so we just made it back to the house. I have already changed my clothes. We are getting ready to come outside and just play for a little bit. Let me catch the door before they come out here and get me. Happy Sunday, everyone. Good morning. It is a beautiful, chilly Sunday here in Texas. We had storms last night, and we are heading to church this morning. So there's the little guy. I just wanted to stop in and say, hey, happy Sunday. God bless you all. Enjoy your Sunday services and your family on today and brunches and all that, girl. Have a good time. See you later.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just
Heading over there to Sephora.
And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Smell like tea. Which one?
Together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
You like that car? Should've got a white one.
You don't know
Got my whites.
with you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?
Oh, no, you
I
don't.
put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When
Which is
I
it?
dance around, I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
So you guys, we made it back to the house, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you all what I picked up from Sephora. I picked up the Versace Dylan Purple. I also picked up Valentino Born in Roma, and lastly I picked up the Giorgio Armani My Way. And I wanted to get these smaller ones just to see how I like them all and just sit with them for a moment before I got the bigger packages. I can definitely tell that the Versace Dylan Purple is my favorite, and I'm definitely going to go back and get the big bottle. So here is what we are enjoying on our Sunday evening with the kiddos in the backyard. For me and hubby, we have a new one that we're trying. Francis Coppola, which is a diamond collection. Cabernet Sauvignon 2020. It was a good year. So the last thing I wanted to do was go ahead and meal prep our dinner for the next day. It's a great way to start off the week. I don't have to rush into Monday trying to already cook a big meal for the family. So I had some lamb, and I'm going ahead and I treat it just like oxtails. I season it up, onion powder, garlic powder, browning, some Worcestershire sauce, oxtail seasoning, your veggies, and then I just pop it in the crock pot, and it's a super easy meal. The meat always comes out tender and it's very flavorful, and it's just easy for me to not have to do all of that work at the beginning of the week. Well, you guys, that's it. I just want to thank you so much for staying tuned into this video, and I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post. Stay safe, stay blessed.